good boy. Very good. Perfect. That was perfect. That was perfect. That was, get out of that drawer, please. Get out of that drawer. Hey, please don't break my drawers. Hey. No, that's sugar. No. Get over there, Mommy.
This is for Melissa. You want to say anything to her, Dad?
Yeah. Get rid of this kid. Hey. What? Oh my God.
Dad, you're on the camera.
Oh my. Hey. Out of that drawer, please. Out of that drawer, please. Yeah, you. Come here. Get out. I don't want you to your fingers. Where's Mommy? Where's Mommy? Where's Mommy? Where's Mommy? Where's Mommy? Go see Mom.
Hi, baby. Hi. Ooh. Good boy. Say hi, Auntie Melissa. Uncle Damien. Say hi, Amelia and Lily. I'm going to be running after you when you come here. Okay.